Sweet Squad. The ingredients I'll be working with today is, of course, our pumpkin, our spring onions, some thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be working with about a medium-sized onion, a pinch of salt, and some coconut milk. So continue watching and let's get on with our pumpkin rice. Okay, Sweet Squad, so the first thing I'm going to do is to peel and chop my pumpkin, and then I'm going to cook that off. So I'm just gonna peel my pumpkin. So I'll be dicing up my pumpkin now, Sweet Squad, so it can be cooked easily. Okay, so here we've got it. Here we've got our diced pumpkin. So now I'm just going to put that in some boiling water to cook with my seasoning. Chopped my spring onions. I've chopped a medium-sized onion, and I've got some thyme, and I'm also going to be adding Scotch bonnet pepper, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, just to give it some flavor, as I am not going to be cutting into that. So I'm just going to be putting in my pumpkin now in some boiling water, and then I'll be adding in these chopped stuff as well. Now, boiling water, I'll be adding in my pumpkin. So now I'll be adding in my chopped seasoning, spring onions, onion, thyme, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to be adding to these ingredients my coconut milk. So that's going to be 1 tin of coconut milk. If you got the natural coconut milk, that would be a plus. to my ingredients, I'll be adding in 2 Maggi cube. You can use whatever seasoning that you prefer to use, but I like to use these Maggi cube or Maggi seasoning to season my pot. So that's 2 Maggi cubes, and we're also going to add about a teaspoon of salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to stir that, and then I'm going to be covering my pot and allow that to cook. So now I'm going to check if my pumpkin is cooked, Sweet Squad. Okay, that's perfect. So now my pumpkin is cooked and the seasoning. Now I've got the rice washed, ready to go in to be cooked. So now I'll be adding in my rice. Gonna give that a stir. Look at that, guys, the color is lovely, and not to mention the smell coming from this pot. Lovely. Okay, Sweet Squad, so this is my way of cooking rice. When I put the water in the pot, then I just ensure that the water is just a little bit over the rice. Okay, so now I'm going to cover that up. And allow that to cook. So the rice is almost cooked now, Sweet Squad, so I'm just going to put a bit of foil over my pot and give that another 10 minutes to simmer. At this point, I turned down my stove to very low so the rice can steam. So we'll be coming back to this in about 10 minutes time. So this is it, Sweet Squad. This is our pumpkin rice, and today we'll be serving it with some oxtail, French fried chicken, coleslaw, little corn, and fried plantains. So please give this video a thumbs up if you like our video, and thanks for watching. Until the next video, thank you.